Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwividiyo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwividiyo namuhla. Mhla ka-7 kuJulayi 2025, uVuyo Zungula we-ATM wahamba ologic case noma wavula icala ne-office le-Public Protector evulela uMinister uSenzo Mchunu. I-Public Protector kwakufuneka iphenye ngalolo daba. Okuthe ngabo-September wakhala ukuthi hayibo kuthulekile akaze bamphendule. Ngo-October wakhala futhi ukuthi hayibo Public Protector ithule kanti ngokwe-mandate yayo within 30 days kufanele ibise-respondini. Even nje nokuthi ba-acknowledge ukuthi siyitholile i-complaint yakho, bakwenza lokho kuze kube namhlanje abakaze-ke siyithole impendulo mayelana necase eyayifakwe uVuyo Zungula. Lela office leliya siyazi thina njengabantu base-South Africa ukuthi asinayo i-Public Protector, instead sine-President Protector. U-Advocate Gcaleka oyi-Public Protector ayikho into ayiqikelela njengokuthi enze sure ukuthi uPresident Ramaphosa noma ipresidency ayithinteki kuzo zonke izinsolo ezobhekana nazo. Kodwa-ke umbuzo okuwona ohamba phambili othi kungani? Ngithema ngithi ngiyangibrowser ku-TikTok ngazithela phe kwevideo ka-CIC. Yavele yakubeka kwacaca ukuthi kungani kwenzeka kanje futhi kufanele sikwamukele. NgoLwesihlanu kuphume nansi article le ibhalwe IOL, i-journalist eyibhalile uSinenhlanhla Masilela. Isihloko sithi Public Protector delivers verdict in 500,000 catering scandal involving presidency and defense department. Akayifundi verdict, kodwa sesiyazi ukuthi the presidency has been cleared. Ayikho into wrong abayenzile kule scandal okhulunywa ngaso se-500,000 manini wo. Mawubheka ku-background yakho ku-screen sakho kuvela imkhukhu. Labantu mabekwazi ukuspenda 500,000 rand kwi-catering kuphela, 500,000 rand ku-catering kuphela, usho leyo mali bengeke izenze impilo zalabantu babona behlala la emkhukhwini zibe ngcono. Asifunde-ke sizi ukuthi ithini article, kodwa singakayifundi sesiyazi ukuthi the presidency has been cleared. There is nothing wrong okuthiwa bayenzile. The Public Protector has concluded that neither the presidency nor the Department of Defense, DOD, acted improperly regarding the controversial catering expense related to the presidential aircraft Inkwazi amounting to over 500,000 rand. This expenditure surfaced amid scrutiny following the funeral of Queen Elizabeth II in 2022, where extravagant meals were served aboard the jet. Passengers aboard the Inkwazi, including President Cyril Ramaphosa, reportedly indulging in lavish dishes and beverages valued at 24,000 rand per person on their return from London. The outcry stemmed from allegations made by Democratic Alliance leader John Steenhuisen, who claimed that the catering cost for the flight amounted to 600,000 rand for fewer than 18 guests. However, in a statement released on Wednesday, Advocate Koleka Gcaleka clarified that the actual catering costs for the London flight were significantly less, rounding off to just over 139,000 rand. In addition to the concerns surrounding the Queen's funerals, another incident raised eyebrows when it was reported that Ramaphosa had cancelled a flight to Turkey in 2023, which incurred a cost at least 91,000 rand to taxpayers. Allegations also surfaced regarding the procurement of luxury items such as expensive liquor, premium chocolate, and biltong for VIP passengers during the trip. The aircraft flew to Cape Town to collect the president. However, the flight was cancelled and the plane returned to Waterkloof Air Base the following day. Notably, none of the prepared food was brought back. Regarding these allegations, Gcaleka acknowledged that while the cancellation of the Turkey flight did incur additional costs, reasonable care had been exercised. She noted that mitigation steps were successfully implemented, with portion of the catering being utilized during subsequent flights and non-perishable items saved for the future use to prevent wastage. He said the cancellation itself resulted in a cost of just over 82,000 rand for catering services, aligning with the supplier cancellation terms. In her findings, the public protector ultimately concluded that both the presidency and the DOD acted within the legal parameters and policy frameworks, asserting that their conduct did not constitute maladministration or improper behavior. Ramaphosa's spokesperson Vincent Magwenya had previously emphasized that the president was not involved in the catering decisions on board Inkwazi, as these were managed by the Air Force VIP squadron. Uzizweleke benge ngasho singakayifundi article ukuthi the presidency has been cleared. There is nothing wrong ekuthiwa bayenzile. Vele besikulindele lokhu ngoba eSouth Africa sinayo i-public protector, sine president's protector. Ingisimo nje sibhekene naso. Kodwa umbuzo efuna sibuzane wona nofuna siwuphendule ukuthi why. Ngicela uzwe la.
Look, the Mkhwebane judgment is bad. It doesn't matter how you look at it. President Zuma was told he cannot appoint the head of the commission of inquiry because he's implicated. That's how Zondo was appointed. That part of the things that are going to be investigated by this commission that we're seeking to establish are going to implicate President Zuma, and as a result, he can appoint a judge of who's going to preside the commission. Today, Ramaphosa can remove a person who is investigating him and says, I didn't know who was going to be the acting, even when it's not true. He knew who was going to be the acting PP. There is a deputy PP at that level. Gcaleka was a member. I'm not saying he's a member. I don't know what is the status now. Gcaleka led the ANC Youth League with us. And when we say with us, we're talking yesterday. And one of the questions these comrades, when they interview her now for this, they must ask her if she's still a member of the ANC. And if she says no, they must ask her, when last did you terminate your ANC membership? She was not just a member. She was a leader of the ANC Youth League in Gauteng. Then left to even advise Malusi Gigaba. Then you become an act and you exonerate a president, and then from there apply for that position. The reason why they say that position is 7 years is because you must not be influenced by the current leadership, because they know you don't seek anything after that. She's seeking something. She was not supposed to be the one presiding over that matter if she knew that she's interested in becoming a public protector. Now she exonerated the president because why? She knows the president has got majority in parliament and is going to have an influence on who gets appointed as a public protector. It therefore defeats the whole purpose of having a public protector who is 7 years old, after taking these decisions will not apply for a job. We have a crisis here. This needs to be looked into. A person has taken decisions now. He's now going back to apply. Does it mean it defeated the purpose of saying 7 years? to avoid you taking decisions in favor so that you can be reappointed. So the court that took a correct decision is the Western Cape Court. The president was emotional. The president stood to benefit from that. We respect the decision of the Constitutional Court, but we disagree with it. We disagree with it respectfully. And the decisions of the court are not alpha and omega. No. Why would we study law if we can't read these things and disagree with them and rewrite our own academic papers to demonstrate how wrong this judgment was? It doesn't mean we can't implement it. We simply do not agree with it. And two things happened. Galega, who wants to be appointed, exonerates the president so that he can be appointed. Maya, who's been nominated by the president, something unprecedented. When he appoints the Chief Justice, he says, I appoint the Chief Justice and I will nominate Maya when this Chief Justice finishes his term.
Yeah.
Your career was party, Mama. You're going to be appointed. Where was age? Where now the judgment, this is a wrong person. A person who said you are going to be appointed even before nominations are called upon. He was bribing her even before. He finished her even before. That if I behave, I'm going to succeed.
After all, I've already been nominated.
I've been nominated by the president.
I think
So the other one.
Itholile ke impendulo namhlanje sesiyazi kungani. Ngoba umbuzo besizibuza wona ukuthi why. But sesiyazi. She was not just an ordinary member ANC. Even if kuthiwe membership yakhe akayivuselelanga. Kukhona abantu abaloyal to ama parties nabathanda ama political parties kodwa abanganayo membership. Bonke labantu abavotayo bavotela ama political party athize basuke bengenayo membership. Iningi labo suke lingenayo membership e political party. Kodwa ukhona uthi azimina ngiyahambelana nale political party manifesto yabo ihambisana nami bese yayivotela. Ngizama ukwenza nje umzekelo ukuthi umuntu obeka ku leadership ANC Youth League unothando lo ANC lo muntu loyo ngale kokuthi she's not a card carrying member anymore, but uthando lika ANC alikaze laphuma kuye. Kodwa lokhu ngisho ngenxa yale nkulumo eqeda kushiwo CIC la. Asibambe le video kodwa benginje namhlanje asike silixoxe lolu daba ngoba iqiniso sesiyalazi. Usesitshelile phela uCIC indala le video ukube kukhona izinto ababengihambelana nazo ngabe bamphikisa akaze bamphikisa. Sesizwileke ukuthi kungani kwenzeka kanje. Mina nawe sidibane ke video landelayo. Ungasupporta ngokuba imember. Qala ku 40 rand ngenyanga ngiyaphezulu. Futhi ngiyacela ningichazele kungani vele ningajoin membership. Ngicela ningichazele nje ngazi ukuthi kungani ningajoin membership. Ukuze mhlawumbe nejoin membership nibe iphatha lomndeni ni support le channel 40 rand nje ngenyanga. Ukhipha nje kanye ngenyanga njalo ngenyanga 40 rand. Yini inkinga? Ngicela ningichazele ukuthi isizathu esenza ukuthi singajoin membership lesi. Uma ngabe kukhona esingakwenzi kahle nisitshele phela sikulungise. Ngoba lokho kuyayilekelela kakhulu ichannel. Kuyayilekelela kakhulu. Ikakhulukazi njengoba ma channel wethu kungesiwo lawa nama sponsor engesiwo lawo axhaswa ngoBetway namapha ama company asuke khona. So ngiyafisa ukwazi kini nje ukuthi ngiya understand kumuntu ongasebenzi. Ngiya understand lokho isimo sinjalo. Kodwa nje kumuntu ukuthi yini enza ukuthi abantu bangajoin i-membership. Cela ningichazele ngizokwazi ukunderstand ukuthi kahle kahle yini eyenzekayo. Yini esingayenzi kahle mhlambe anijoin membership ngoba thina kukhona into esingayenzi kahle. Cela ningichazele nje. Ngemuntu ke olalelayo kakhulu. Ngiyacela ukuzwa ukuphawula kwenu la ku comment section. mina nawe sidibane kwivideo landelayo ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe ushare ulike